You know what? Fuck it. Should be fine. Right?
So this year I'm spending Christmas in Hong Kong, which I'm in a hotel right now quarantining in Hong Kong, which means the flat is left to Kelly by herself. And Kelly is not the best at cooking, which is why I decided I wanted to challenge her to a video I saw online of like this tornado omelette thing and see how she does and keep her occupied in the flat by herself, hopefully not burning down the house. So yeah.
I just finished watching the tornado egg challenge video. I'm such a walking hazard and I burn down stuff all the time. So I don't think I can do it, but maybe I'll be lucky. Let's see how it goes.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Fuck. Yêu tá ho heo pì ạ. Fuck. You know what? Fuck it. Should be fine. Right? Oh fuck. Ah! Should've waited longer. Oh fuck. What the fuck? What the fuck? You know what? Wait, what? What? Oh, you know what? Fuck it. I don't know, man. I'm not even close. Fuck. Never fucking mind.
Let's do it. Well, damn, you look so good. Laying there wearing nothing but my t-shirt. Your body's a neighborhood. Wanna drive my lips all around it, cause I'm holding.
Okay, so I just had my first bite of my fried rice. The fried rice is good, but then the omelette isn't really an omelette. It ended up being like a fried egg. So instead of omelette tornado egg challenge, it's more like sunflower fried rice thing. It's kind of expected of what happened. I don't think I'll ever master tornado egg. Still, it was fun. It was fun. I haven't properly cooked for a long while, so I hope you enjoy watching this. We'll see if I'll do any cooking challenge. So yeah, bye!